Hello everyone. Welcome to my new video. This video I will show you how I make a Clickbank product explainer videos myself. In the past I have used Vietnamese, but apparently Vietnamese is no more. Let me show you the video I created recently though. Let me see. Of course, if anyone doing Clickbank affiliate product promotion, I'm pretty sure you heard of Java burn. Let me show you the Java burn video I made.
So have you heard of Java burn being able to burn fat fast? Well, before you decide to buy, you need to watch this Java burn coffee review video because a lot of
the videos I did myself, the taxes I did myself, the voiceover I paid $7 for that, and the music background I did myself. So I combined them all. Really, this video cost me $7. It's a pretty high quality video. It's pretty nice video. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a little bit. I'm not gonna show you the whole video. This whole video is 7 minutes long. I'm gonna show you a little bit of how I made this video, and I made this using Canva. I just grown comfortable using Canva. I know there are other services like WeVideo. I think there's NVideo as well. I'm not sure what that's about. And WeVideo, you can try to use this. It's kind of almost the same as what is that? What's that? Content Samurai or Vietnamese. It's almost like that. But I mean, I never learned it myself. Like I said, I grown comfortable using Canva. So let me show you how I did it in Canva. But before I get started, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, let me know how I did. Okay, thank you. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. So when you get to Canva, sign up on Canva. It's free to join. It's free to use their website. Canva, you can create anything in Canva, dealing with social media posts, videos, marketing, office, gift friends. You got a whole bunch of templates, logos, business cards, flyers, infographics. You can create a lot of stuff in Canva. So today's example is going to be a YouTube video. Create a blank video, or I can use a template. But I'm gonna create a blank video for now. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna try to keep this video short and sweet. These are really good intros. Let me see. It's a pretty good intro. You can use this as a mid intro to delete that. I don't need that. So the first thing I'm gonna do is you need a script. I'm gonna just go to some website. I don't know what I'm gonna. So I guess let's use some example. The best shoes for walking all day. Okay. 13 best comfy shoes, best shoes standing all day. Okay, let's try that. So I'm gonna just take a couple, probably like one paragraph. Okay. Let's see. Put this in here. Delete this. I don't need this. I don't know why I have it. Let me see. Okay. The ladder. I'm just putting this all on the front so you see what I'm doing like that. Okay. Being that there's two sentences in here, I'm going to split it. Try to keep your sentences at least one, no more than 2 sentences per slide when you're making these videos. Okay? So let me read this first sentence. Standing is opposite of running. The latter is an athletic activity involving dynamic movement, and the other is about being confined to a small area. Okay, so let's see if I can find a video of standing, I guess. This lady Standing. She is nude. Standing all day. If you can't find any videos in here, you can always go to pexels.com. They got videos here. You can try pixabay.com. They got videos here. They got photos too. So does Pexels, they got photos. And the third site is really good, unsplash.com. But they don't have videos, they just have photos. So you can use any one of these sites, or you can try to find what you can on Canva. Stand up. I mean, why'd I pick a hard thing? Why'd I pick it? It has nothing to do with standing. Okay, well, whatever. Let's use this one. Let's say I use this one. He's standing up. He's obviously trying to tell a joke, I guess, but let's see. So I'm going to copy this. Go to Texas. I'm gonna paste it here. Make it a little bit bigger. And look at that. Okay. I'm gonna drag. You can drag anything. I want to make it. Come on, why is. Alright, whatever. I don't know. Oh, I know why it's acting weird, because I entered. Yeah. That's probably why it's acting weird. I'm just gonna do this real quick. A couple of frames. Standing. See that? Standing is the opposite of running. The latter is an activity involving dynamic movement, and the other is about being confined to a small area. Now here's the thing. Obviously, I don't know how long this will take to say all this, whatever seconds. So when you get a voiceover, you'll copy it down here, and you just have to listen to it and find out the time it stops, right? Okay, so when the timer stops, then you can just move this and make it shorter. Okay. I can also animate this. I'm gonna go to my animate here. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then the next slide. Let's see what this one's about. But standing is a lot harder than it appears, especially when you're on your feet the whole day. Okay, so let's go. Let's see if we can find. It's a video. It's supposed to be apparently. Let's see if we can find another video. This guy's surfing. Okay, here we go. Whatever. Let's do this one. This is just an example, so I may show you guys my actual Java burn video I did in here, and then I'm gonna copy my text. Text here. Obviously, this is white. This is black. But you can add a background to this. Let me show you how to do that. If I want this white, I can change this back to white. elements. If I want to get a background, gray box. Let's see, I'll do that. A little bit smaller. Go to transparency up here. Okay. Now I can take the words, I can put something else, like another shadow behind it. Here. And put the direction. You can barely see it. Zoom in. You see that shadow behind it? You see a lot better now. Okay. And you can, let me see if I move this. Oh, it's already in the back. If it was in the front, it would look, you know, like that. If it's looking like this, just right click, send backward. You send it to back, it'll be behind this video. You won't see it. But you get what I'm saying. I would also like to make it all go to the end. Okay, okay. But that is like 2 slides. This is an example. Okay. Damn, look at that. Look how high quality that looks. They got music in here too. Say happy music. It ended up all the way down here because this is where the slider is at. So let's move this to the beginning. Don't look that bad, right? If you get voiceover on here, you can get it for $5, but it'll cost $7 after tax. That's $2 tax. Let me see if I can find my design on here. My Java Burn design. Let's see. Do I have it still on here? Video message. This is it? Yep. So if I click on here, I can play a little bit for you. I know you already kind of saw it, but you're seeing it in here. So you can see what I mean when the voiceover ends. Let me see if I click. Okay.
So have you heard of Java Burn being able to burn fat fast? Well, before you decide to buy,
see that?
you need.
So before it was like this, but then I had to move it back some because you can see the frequencies range, and it's here for the first sentence, blank, and it starts over again. Okay, so now you see what that means. So it's a little bit more work, but it's definitely worth it. Canva is pretty easy to use. I would definitely use it, and it's free. Oh, let me show you how you get the voiceover. 5R. I'm gonna show you who I use for the voiceover. I would record 500 words. This person. Okay. This person I use for the voiceover. I mean, I'm sorry. I know I said I paid $7. I actually had that video. The Java Burn video is actually, how long is it? 13 minutes long. It's 1,000 words. Okay. It's 7 minutes long. Whatever. It's 1,000 words. So I paid $10. So $12 after tax. That's still pretty cheap. I got that whole video for $10 basically. Okay, so go to Canva, make your own Clickbank product explainer videos. You'll see it's pretty easy. Canva may crap out every now and then. It automatically saves, so you can name your video here. It automatically saves, so if something does happen, then you can just come right back to it. Alright, so that's all the time I have for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Share this video with your friends or anyone who will find this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you're going to make a video in Canva, or if you're going to make one in WeVideo. Let me know. I may do a video on that one as well. Okay? Thanks for watching. Be nice to each other. There's too many violence out there. Stay happy. Stay safe. See you next video. Bye bye.